Nothing. I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos, from adjusting my exposure or my lighting to voiceovers to zooming to transitioning, adding text, and all of those basic things that you need to edit your videos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nellin. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have been watching my videos and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, you are just a hater, period. Guys, pardon my video quality because I have to shoot with only my ring light, as that's the only source of light I have right now. NEPA has refused to bring light, so I mean I cannot just wait for them to bring their lights. I'm already way behind in schedule when it comes to creating content and uploading on YouTube. So let's just get this over with. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I edit my videos. I feel like that is the most requested video on YouTube that people have been asking me of since from Instagram. Like a lot of people on Instagram are asking me, oh, show us how you edit your videos. How do you edit your videos? I feel like that is the most requested video from me. So here comes nothing. I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos, from adjusting my exposure or my lighting to voiceovers to zooming to transitioning, adding text, and all of those basic things that you need to edit your videos. We are going to be using only InShot for this video because that is the most talked about app that I talk about a lot. So we are going to be using it, and I'm going to be showing you how I edit my videos. I'll be showing you using voiceovers because I would have to show you my screen. I have to screen record and show you exactly what I'm talking about so you can follow me along while I edit it. So get your pen and paper. Let's just get right into the video. Okay. So guys, like I said, I'm going to do a screen record and we're going to be using InShot to make this video. So the first thing you want to do is to import all the videos you need to actually edit your videos, and I did that. And then after doing that, you just check through the videos and check if everything is in place for you, if they're the right ones, and if they are not in place, then you have to rearrange them the way you want them to. So that's what exactly I was doing. I reduced the volume for everything. Mind you guys, I am not a professional in video editing, so what would work for me might not work for you. Anyways, what I was doing was just to trim the video. I used the split feature to split the videos the way I want them, every single thing, and just take out the seconds of the video that I needed to make my video. And then I just started checking them to see how it was looking. The next thing I did was obviously to start zooming. It just, see, playing around with videos is just the best thing. Now I started zooming in and out to see how it will work for the video, and then cut out the part that wasn't really given and left the part that was given. And I tried to add transitioning. Now you should know that when you're talking about transition, it's not only the transition videos that, or the transition feature that can give you a transition video, if that makes sense. Sometimes I use my effects. So effects can be very good when it comes to transitioning as well. So those videos that you did not shoot or you do not have in mind to put a kind of transition, effects can help you put that transition in, and it will move from one video to another. So what I was doing was just to add a transition to see how it will look like, and it wasn't given. These two videos were not matching at all. I tried all the effects I could possibly try that could help in transitioning, especially those zoom features or zoom effects that could help, but it wasn't giving what I needed for the video. So what did I do? I swapped the video. Yes guys, I swapped the video. This is after I have checked all the transition effects and everything I could possibly try. I swapped the video with the one next to it, and then it started giving me that vibes, but it still wasn't giving me exactly what I needed. So I went to reverse the video, if that makes sense. So the reverse feature just turns your video the other way around. I did something on my Instagram about something coming up from my hand. That was the reverse effect. So if you use the reverse feature, it's going to reverse your video the other way around. So that's what I did, and it was able to give me the transition I needed. Then I just started playing around mostly with the cut, the reverse, the zoom, and the split, just to get exactly what I wanted. So guys, take your time while watching this video. Look at the things, or look deeply with what I used, the features I tapped on. There were some I had to use arrow to indicate, and some I didn't. So just look at it. Basically, editing has to do with playing around with features. I cannot really tell you do this, if you use this one for this video it will make sense. No, it has to be you that sees it and say, okay, if I use this feature it will make sense. If I don't use this feature it will not make sense. If I don't use this feature it will make sense. Those just basically play. Like editing, especially as a beginner, you need to play around with certain things. If you start using the app, make a 1 second a if you start using the app rather, make a 1 minute video and see how you can play around with it. I'm sorry guys if I'm not really telling you exactly like this, because like I said, what works for me would not work for you, and what works for my video might not work for your video. So I'm just basically showing you guys how these tools or how these effects and features can be used when you want to use them. So yeah guys, just keep watching and see what I'm doing. At this point, I added a new video because the video wasn't complete. The ones I imported wasn't complete. So I just kept checking, scrolling to check where I kept them, and I just added a new one to just give it the final touch, or the clips I wanted to use, because I wanted like a 10 seconds kind of video to show you guys about this product. That is just basically it. Now when you're editing, you can add text, you can add stickers, you can add whatever you want to just give your video that life that it needs. If I don't know if that's the proper word, but yeah. So I was just checking the video out to see everything that has been done and see if I liked it. And then the next thing I did was obviously reduce the volume, then export it. I exported it at the highest quality, that was 4K, and it would take this long ass time for you to export. The longer the video, the longer the time it needs to export. So you don't have to tap the screen or do anything, just leave your phone for you to export to 100. And once it has gotten to the 100, then you can either upload the video if you're done. But since we were not done with this particular video, we brought it back again. Now that I've combined all the video together, what I needed to do was now to adjust everything about the video. We needed to, this is me checking the video out first to know if it's okay. Then I started adjusting the video. So I went to the adjust feature a bit tool, and then I started playing around with the tools that were there and the features that were there, just to get this dark kind of feel that I wanted for the video. So I played around with all the adjustment tools. You guys can do that as well with your TikTok videos, your normal video, your YouTube video, whatever. Just play around with it. And yeah, I kind of like the results when I was done with it. So let me just stop talking so you can see what the result looks like. With the adjustment, then I had to find the perfect music. Now this also takes time. You can get your music from anywhere, but for this particular video I'm going to recommend that we take music from InShot, the app itself rather, because when you take music outside from other places you might have copyright, but with InShot music there is no copyright claim to it. All you have to do is just to copy those texts that they said you should copy, and wherever you're posting it, you post it there, you just paste it, so the person will know that yes, you use their songs or whatsoever. So yeah, I was just constantly battling with what particular music to use, which music sounds better, and all of these things. At the very least, I used one particular song, and this was how it sounded. At this point, I've gotten my music, I've adjusted whatever I want to adjust on the music, fade out, fade in, and all of those things. So guys, this is what the video looks like. I went through it one more time and then I exported it at the highest quality. Always remember, highest quality, quality over quantity, because that's on period. And then once it got to 100, the video was ready to go. Guys, this is what our video looks like. So yeah guys, that's the end of this video. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you in one way or the other, don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, subscribe to my channel because it's free, turn on your post notification bells, share my videos to anybody and everybody that will be interested in editing, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace and love. Bye.